The 2010 Honda Rancher 420 4x4 with an electric shift. I'm going to clean the spark arrestor. So to do this, I need to take the spark arrestor off right there on the back of the muffler using a crescent wrench. Go ahead and loosen it. And at some point you can probably just make sure it's not hot. And there it is. It's fairly clean. I did this just recently, but usually there's a bunch of black soot in there. So just tap it out of there and wipe it down. And then we'll move on to the next portion of the procedure, which is to take a shop rag. And what we're going to do is take that shop towel and we're going to just plug the back of the muffler. So with one hand you're plugging the back of the muffler, and the other hand you're going to be revving the throttle to high RPM at least 20 times. And what that's doing is blowing all the exhaust right out the bottom. So any gunk in there, any soot, should just be blown right out the bottom. So I'm going to set the camera up and demonstrate. Alright, like I said earlier, you're supposed to do it about 20 times is what the book says, but I just did this procedure recently, so it should be fairly clean. It's just demonstrating with a shortened version of it. So once you're done, after cleaning the arrestor just a little bit, go ahead and put the arrestor bolt back in, and we're just going to snug it back down. Doesn't have to be super tight, just snug. And that is doing the maintenance for the spark arrestor on a Honda Rancher 420. Thanks for watching.